Dunia jam 10. Tak, okay. Good afternoon now. Yara Wise, Yara Komel from lifeatpc.com.
And that's IKEA for hi, my name's Wise from lifeatpc.com. Meatballs. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to lifeatpc.com. My name is Afiq and this is Wise, and we are back for another unboxing video.
What we have with us today,
the new Viewsonic M8. Sorry. Let me try to say this in one breath. What we have with us today is the Viewsonic M1 Plus G2 portable smart LED projector with Harman Kardon Bluetooth speakers. Why is it blinking red? The battery is running out. So the M1 Plus G2 is one of Viewsonic's latest addition to the M series, along with the M1 Mini Plus. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So you want to do the honors again? Do you bring scissors?
name.
Good luck.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
11 minutes later.
Okay, you're taking way too long.
You know, sometimes people can be very pretentious. Oh, I'm talking about me, am I? Oh, silap again.
Okay, so what we have with us, instruction manuals, okay? We'll get to that later. What's this?
Is there any Swedish here? Yes, there.
It's pretty, I like the back. This is the projector itself. Oh, that's very pretty. Okay, so, oh my god, turning on. Don't control it.
That is totally unscripted.
Gonna put that aside.
You know what? Just put it behind.
Okay.
So, sangat menerangi. I wish that can brighten up my life too.
Anyway, so let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we have a remote, people.
Oh, so basically it's self-turn on and on and on.
Yes.
But it's so small, like, and very...
What is a portable LED projector?
Oh, it's a portable...
I just said it in the title. What do you think I was rapping that about?
You were so fast.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, what else is in the box? We have your cables, chargers, batteries. There's a lot of cables. What are they used for? Okay, and you have the... Is this AA or AAA? AAA batteries. It's been a while since I've seen batteries.
Can you see how not technical we both?
Let's put all these other items aside and get to the projector itself, shall we? So the M1 Plus G2 has advanced LED light source. It uses the latest solid-state LED technology that is both mercury-free and lead-free, offering a greener, filter-free projector solution. So the M1 Plus G2 provides also a simple 360 degree setup. So basically what you just saw just now, this is what we mean. It goes 360 degrees, it goes all the way around. It doubles as a stand as well as lens cover for the projector, so that whenever you're not using it, just close the lens like this and it will automatically turn off. Hold the projector and then use it as a stand like this. It will automatically turn on, as you can see just now from our reaction. So the speakers are very good as well. As you can see, the speakers are right here on top. This is top right. That's on top. The M1 Plus G2 comes with... The M1 Plus G2 comes with dual Harman Kardon Bluetooth speakers for powerful performance in small packages. This is very small. This is very portable, guys. You can bring this anywhere. We have to change place.
And change clothes too?
Shut up. So these speakers are actually very good if you want some deep, loud, and 360 degree room-filling sound effect for music and movies at home or on the go.
And also,
you want to take this one?
Yes, of course. Projector AL Smart TV aktiverat dari integrada de Smart TV grand snittet låter ditt drama och vinga dina favoritfilmer och TV-program från YouTube och mer. Du kan också strömma multimedia innehåll från dina mobiler and heter via Wi-Fi.
Again, that's IKEA for. The projector is smart TV enabled, so basically you can connect this to your smart TV and you can binge watch your favorite movies, TV shows, YouTube, and more basically. And you can also stream multimedia content from your mobile devices via Wi-Fi. It also comes with a USB cable, which is a Type-C, which I think every USB cable are coming in this type right now, right?
Yeah.
It has a USB Type-C port that delivers fast data, audio, video, and also quick charging over a single cable. So that is it for our unboxing of the Viewsonic M1 Plus G2 portable LED projector. I would say the full name, but it's a mouthful. So what are your thoughts?
So for me, it's good for projecting.
Oh, God.
Oh, I'm so. Oh. Okay, we show it up here. Like, okay, as you can see, I'm sitting on a beanie bag.
There you guys go.
So how to turn this off?
You fold it just like we did yesterday.
Wait, can you help me lift me up?
No.
No.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
If you guys wish to know more about the product, you can visit at their website at viewsonic.com, or you can wait for our full review at lifeatpc.com coming later this month.
And don't worry, it's gonna be in English and not Swedish.
So thank you again, Wise, for joining me today.
Varsågod, hej då.
So before we end this video, we would like to ask you guys, what do you guys want to see next for our next video? Do you want more reactions? Do you want us to test the products? Or do you want to see us do something completely different?
Even more languages is acceptable.
Anything at all you guys want to see, just let us know, just as long as it's not life-threatening.
I don't care about languages.
Great! Thank you guys again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please keep your like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at lifeatpc.com on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Tak so miket.
And we will see you all in the next video.